In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore photos from iCloud and recover deleted photos, especially if you're using iOS 18 or later. Have you ever had that heart-dropping moment where you accidentally delete a precious photo or can't seem to find a picture in your library? Don't worry, we're going to go through everything you need to know to get those photos back, step by step. First, let's talk about restoring photos from iCloud. This is an incredibly handy feature and a great way to sync your photos across all your Apple devices. What you'll want to do is head into your settings. Tap on your name at the top, which will take you to your Apple ID information. From there, select iCloud, then look for Photos. It's crucial to verify that iCloud Photos is turned on. If it's not, toggle that switch to make sure your photos sync across all devices. Then open up your Photos app and go to your library. You should be able to see all the photos that have been stored and synced via iCloud right there. It's as simple as that. Now, let's move on to recovering recently deleted photos. Mistakes happen and sometimes we delete a photo accidentally. Thankfully, there's a straightforward way to recover these photos directly on your iPhone. Simply open the Photos app again. This time go to Albums and scroll down until you see Recently Deleted. This album holds photos that have been deleted in the last 30 days. Select the ones you want back and tap Recover. This action will move them back to your main library safe and sound. For those times when you're away from your device or simply prefer using a computer, you have the option to restore deleted photos via iCloud.com. Open a browser and navigate to iCloud.com. Log in using your Apple ID. Once you're in, click on Photos and then head over to Albums. Find the recently deleted album and get ready to bring those photos back. All you need to do is select the photos you wish to recover and click Recover. It's a superb alternative that lets you manage your photos effectively no matter where you are. These methods provide a reliable way to maintain and recover your precious memories. Whether you're syncing your photos via iCloud or exploring the recently deleted album, rest assured that your treasures are not lost forever. Remember, regularly backing up your data is always a good practice and can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in keeping your photo library intact and your memories close at hand.